Okay, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go through several lots that I picked up at a couple of estate sales and one from an auction. And here we go. This is what we got. Okay, the first set of wrenches here, you're seeing they're made by a company called Brit Tool. Not everybody knows what these are. If you look, it's BS Whitworth, so British Standard Whitworth. These are different than the sizing anyway, is a lot different than SAE. So there we got two of them, a Brit Tool. This little box wrench is Brit Tool, and then these other ones, they say made in England, Bedford Vanadium. Never had either one of these kinds of wrenches. Well, I've had Whitworth before, but I never had those two brands. And so put that on the side for now. What else we got? Okay, then the next bunch. These are Stallwell or Stallville. Not really sure, but same thing. They're the British Standard Whitworth. And with that we got 3, 4, 5, 6 wrenches. Stallwell is pretty close to being like SnapOn over in Europe, so another nice set of wrenches there. And then the last one I got, this is a SnapOn WOEX 13. So this is a Whitworth half-inch BS British Standard. I mean, it looks to be about the size of a, I don't know, 3/4, 13/16, somewhere in that area, but it says half-inch. And then we got a 14mm Mac. This is the M14 CW. Real nice looking. Okay, then we're going to get into some Craftsman. This is a 41110, maybe a 116. It's a 6-in-1 soft grip screwdriver, Craftsman. Nice piece. Then we got a couple Craftsman pliers. In the picture there. There we go. Got this little crescent 4-inch Crestalloy. A lot of guys looking for the 4-inchers. Kind of hard to find. Then I got something kind of oddball here. This is a Tweezers made out of copper. Not really sure what the use of this is. Somebody told me it's for chemicals, pulling parts out of chemicals. Can't read the name, and it looks like it's a TW375, and by a company called Prideline. Okay, then I got, this is a Proto little double box wrench, 3/8 by 5/16. And when I picked up those pliers, this came with it. This is a old channel lock, kind of beat up. Okay, and here we got, so this is a Craftsman Professional 12-piece Microtech Expert screwdriver set. And that's a pretty good little set, hard to find. They had it for $20 and I couldn't pass that up. And here's another hard to find item. It's a Craftsman SAE stubby nut drivers in the clamshell. They look like they've either barely been used or never been used. A nice little set. And then I got like 9. These are Craftsman picks. I think it's like probably like 2 partial sets there. There's like I don't know, 2 the same of about 4 of them there. I think total 9. And then we got some Craftsman Saltus wrenches, 5/8, half, and a 3/8. Okay. This I picked up at an auction. I've never actually had this before. My nephew told me about this. This is what they call a Craftsman 20-volt bolt-on kit. So the part there that's on there now is a tire inflator, and this came with 2 batteries, a charger, and like 7 tools. So this tool here is a little multi-tool. Got it set up as a sander. Let's show that works. I suppose if I play with it a little more, yeah, you can see it comes off. There's a little jigsaw adapter for it. It's got a sander attachment. It's got a, looks like a 3/8 drill. And the last piece it's got is a circular saw. And a small 24 carbide teeth on the blade there. Looks like it's probably, it looks like it's been used, but not much. And here's the extra battery and the charger. Picked that up at an auction where they had an estate sale of a former SnapOn dealer. So there was a ton of SnapOn tools. I think I might have a picture right here I can add in. The SnapOn tools just went ridiculous. I wasn't able to buy anything. This set came along. They're trying to start it out at 100. I offered 50, and I couldn't believe nobody bid against me on that Craftsman stuff. But this is from another estate sale here. So I picked up this 3/8 speeder handle. Got a 1/2-inch drive, SnapOn breaker bar, 18-inch. Got, let's see, 1, 2, 3 extensions, 2 3/8 and a 1/4-inch drive. Then I got a 1/4-inch breaker bar, 3/8 slide handle breaker bar, and I got 2 kind of beat up a little bit SnapOn screwdrivers, 2 Phillips. Then I got this kind of an oddball. And see if you guys ever heard of this. It's Stark Products Corporation, patent pending. It's a little tap wrench. Got like 2 different sizes, like holes there to put your tap in. So that was pretty nice. And the last thing I got is this it's a J.H. Williams M52 1/4-inch drive ratchet. Really nice little ratchet, a little dirty, but J.H. Williams. Okay, that's everything I got this week. So on the Craftsman MultiTool, whatever you want to call it, with all the attachments. So that I ended up at about $63 out the door with the auction fees. Bid 50, won it. Nobody bid against me. The other tools there, that was about $100, and then this Snap-on stuff here was $75. If you think I got a deal, let me know in the comments. And as always, please like and subscribe. And until the next time, thanks for watching. Have a great week, everybody.